Hello students, today we shall continue the determinants. In that we will discuss two important things today. The first one is the area of the triangle by using the determinant method, and second one is the equation of the straight line joining the 2 points by using the determinant. These two we discuss today. First one we go for area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Now here we consider the triangle with three vertices A, B, C. Coordinates of A we take it as x1, y1. Coordinates of B x2, y2, and coordinates of C x3, y3. This area of triangle formula we completed already in first year. Now the same formula we are deriving by using the determinant property. Here the area is given by the symbol delta. Delta stands for the area of the triangle ABC. Now it is area of a triangle ABC, that is delta equal to given by 1 by 2 times the determinant value. In the determinant value, first row we take it as x1, y1, 1, second row x2, y2, 1, third row x3, y3, 1. By expanding this determinant, we get the result, and it is multiplied with 1 by 2, then we get the area of the triangle ABC. For that, it is needed the coordinates of the triangle A, B, C, that is vertices are x1, y1, and B vertices are x2, y2, and C vertices are x3, y3. This is a formula for calculating the area of the triangle by using the determinants. Now, if we expand this 1 by 2 as it is, now we go for the determinant property and expansion of determinant. Then we write plus, minus, plus. First x1 into, it is deleting this column and this row we get y2 minus y3. After that minus y1 into deleting this column and this row we get x2 minus x3. After that plus 1 into determinant, by deleting this column and this row we get x2, y2, x3, y3. Then simplifying we get x2 into y3 minus x3 into y2. And this is the area of the triangle ABC. It is the formula for calculating the area of triangle by using the determinant. Now we discuss along with example. First one, find area of a triangle. Area of the triangle with vertices A 2, 3, B 1, 4, and C 3, 5 by using determinants. This type question we expected for 2 marks in the examination. Now solution of this, it is given A 2, 3, take this as x1, y1, vertex B as 1, 4, take it as x2, y2, and C is 3, 5, take it as x3, y3. Now area of triangle formula is delta equal to 1 by 2 times determinant of x1, y1, 1, second row x2, y2, 1, third row x3, y3, 1. Now we substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. It is here, it is 1 by 2. Determinant of first row, write 2 3 1. Here x1 is 2, y1 is 3. Similarly x2 y2 value 1 4, it is written 1 4 1. And third row x3 y3 value 3 5 1. Now we expand this determinant 1 by 2 as it is into first 2 plus minus plus, expanding this determinant 2 into deleting this row and this column, we get 4 minus 5. It is first result. After that minus 3, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3. After that plus 1, here deleting this column and this row, we get 1 4 3 5. Here 1 into 5 5 minus 3 into 4 12 and completion of the bracket. Now it is 1 by 2, 2 as it is, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, minus 3 as it is, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, plus 1 into 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Now we get, it is 1 by 2, it is minus 2 plus 6 minus 7. 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. We get 1 by 2 into minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Now it is minus 3 into 1 by 2. We get minus 3 by 2, but area of the triangle is always modulus value of this determinant. For that we consider the modulus value of this one. Then we get 3 by 2 square units. Therefore the area of the triangle is equal to 3 by 2 square units. It is area of the triangle by using the determinant value. Write the solution. Now we go for second example. Find the area of the triangle with vertices 1 0 6 0 and 4 3 by using determinants method. Now we go for solution of this. It is given first vertex 1 0, you correct as x1 y1, second 6 0 x2 y2, and third is 4 3 x3 y3. Now area of the triangle is given by, area of a triangle is given by delta equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Now substituting the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, we get it is 1 by 2, x1 is 1 0, x1 y1 1 as it is 6 0 1, it is 4 3 1. Now we expand the determinant. It is plus minus plus. First we write 1 by 2 outside into first element is 1, deleting this column and this row, we get 0 1 3 1. So the determinant is 0 minus 3. This we get minus 0 into any number is 0 plus 1 into deleting this column and this row, we get 6 0 4 3. Then we get 6 into 3 is 18 minus 4 into 0 is 0. Now we simplify this. It is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Now it is 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 0 plus 18 minus 0 is 18. Now we get 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 18, it is 15. So it is nothing but 15 by 2. Therefore delta equal to 15 by 2 square units. It is the area of the triangle with these vertices. Like that we find the area of the triangle. As I told already, the area of the triangle is always the modulus value of this determinant, because we can take only positive result. Therefore we consider the modulus value of this determinant. And second thing, if you already given area of the triangle, at that time for calculating unknown value we can use plus and minus sign both. And third result, if the given points are collinear, then automatically the area of the triangle becomes 0. That is, delta is equal to 0 if the given 3 vertices or the given 3 points are collinear. These are some important results for calculating area of the triangle and other examples. Now we go for another example. A 1 2, B minus 1 6, C 8 2. By using these three vertices, we find the area of the triangle. Now it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it is x3 y3. Now we go for solution. Delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant, that is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. 1 by 2 as it is x1 is 1, y1 is 2, we get 1 to 1. Second row minus 1 6 1, third row 8 to 1. Now expanding this determinant, it is equal to 1 by 2 into, now we write plus minus plus. After that, for 1 we will use this column and this row, we get 6 1 to 1. 6 1 to 1 determinant is 6 into 1 is 6, minus 2 into 1 is 2. Then we get 1 into 6 minus 2. After that, take 2 with negative sign, that is minus 2 into, deleting this column and this row, we get minus 1 1 8 1. Then the determinant is minus into 1 is minus 1, minus of 8 into 1 is minus 8. That is minus 1 minus 8. After that, plus 1 into determinant, deleting this column and this row, we get minus 1 6 8 2. So the answer is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 8 into 6, that is 48. That is minus 2 minus 48. Now it is 1 by 2, it is 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 2 into minus 1 minus 8 is minus 9, plus 1 into minus 2 minus 48 is minus 50. Now it is 1 by 2, it is 4, minus into minus is plus 9 to the 18 minus 50. Now it is 1 by 2, 4 plus 18 is 22 minus 50. It is 1 by 2, we get minus 50 plus 22 minus 28. We take the modulus value minus 28 of this. So it is 28 by 2. Now it is equal to 14. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore, delta equal to, we write 14 square units. So this is the area of the given triangle with these vertices 1 2 minus 1 6 and 8 2. Take the solution. Next we go for some more examples. In this type of example, area of triangle is already given. Using that, we find the value of unknown value, and we can use the given vertices for this one. That type one example. If the area of the triangle with vertices 4, 1, 2k and 5, 2 is 5 square units, then find the values of k. Then find the values of k. Values of k means already it is given one variable, that is k. Calculate the value of this k. Values means we are getting two values of k. Because of, as I told already, while we are solving the area of the triangle, here we can use two signs. One is plus and one is minus in the left hand side while we are calculating the value of k. Due to that result, we are getting two values of k in this one. Now we go for solution of this. It is given vertices are 4, 1, 2k, 5, 2. It is x1, y1. It is x2, y2. It is x3, y3. Now area is also given. Delta equal to 5 square units. Now we write the area of the triangle formula. Delta equal to 1 by 2, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Now we substitute both sides the values. Delta value I substitute it as 5, 1 by 2 as it is. Now x1, y1 value is 4, 1, 1, x2, y2 value 2k, 1, x3, y3 value 5, 2, 1. Now we expand this determinant, plus, minus, plus. Now 5 equal to 1 by 2 into, first we write 4 into expansion of second order. Deleting this column and this row, we get k1 to 1. So it is equal to k into 1 is k, minus 2 into 1 is 2. Then we get k minus 2. Next, 1 with minus sign, that is minus 1 into determinant value. Deleting this column and this row, we get 2, 1, 5, 1. So the answer is 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 5 is 5. That is 2 minus 5 plus 1 into determinant. Deleting this column and this row, we get 2k, 5, 2. The result is 2 into 2 is 4, minus 5 into k is 5k. That is 4 minus 5k. Now 5 equal to 1 by 2. It is multiplied 4 into k, 4k, minus 4 into 2 is 8, minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3, plus 4 minus 5k as it is. Now we simplify. 5 equal to 1 by 2, 4k minus 5k is minus k, minus 8 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Now we make, at last we take the two values of 5, as I told, take 5 as plus or minus 5, because we are getting two values of k. Plus or minus 5 equal to 1 by 2 into minus k minus 1. Why it is taken plus or minus? Because we are having two values of k. If it is already k value, unknown value is given, we have to consider two values of the area of the triangle to get the value of k. Now we make cross multiplication. It is plus or minus 5 into 2 is 10. equal to minus k minus 1. Now we go for first equation, 10 equal to minus k minus 1. Another one is minus 10 equal to minus k minus 1. Now take 1 to this side, 10 plus 1 equal to minus k, 11 equal to minus k, or k equal to minus 11. So it is first value of k. Here we simplify, minus 10 plus 1 equal to minus k, minus 9 equal to minus k, therefore k equal to 9. Here we get k value minus 11 and 9, therefore two values of k are k equal to minus 11 comma 9. These are two values of k. By using area of triangle we calculated unknown value, that is k equal to minus 11 and 9. Take this solution. Next to go for similar another example. If the area of the triangle with vertices minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0 k is 4 square units, then find the values of k. Here the vertices are first minus 2, 0, second is 0, 4, third is 0 k. These are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 values. And area of the triangle we write once again, and delta given it as 4 square units. Delta equal to 1 by 2 x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1 and x3, y3 1. Substituting values on both sides, it is 4 equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Now x1, y1 value is minus 2, 0. It is 1. Second row 0, 4, 1. Third row 0, k, 1. Now we expand the determinant, plus, minus, plus. Now we go for first element, it is equal to 4 equal to 1 by 2 into, first we write minus 2 into determinant, deleting this column and this row, 4, 1, k, 1, that is 4 into 1, 4, minus k into 1 is k, that is 4 minus k. Next we write minus 0, 0 into number is 0 only, plus 1 and writing the determinant by deleting this column and this row, that is 0, 4, 0, k. Then we get 0 minus 0. Now we write it as 4 equal to 1 by 2. It is minus 2 into 4 minus 8, minus into minus plus 2k, remaining two terms are 0. Now as I told here, this 4 is converted into plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4 equal to 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 2k. Now cross multiplication, 4 into 2, 8. We get plus or minus 8 equal to minus 8 plus 2k. Now we consider two values of k. First we take plus 8, after that we take minus 8 in the left hand side. Therefore we get minus 8 equal to minus 8 plus 2k, it is one value. Second value 8 equal to minus 8 plus 2k, it is second value. Now we take this minus 8 to this side, minus 8 plus 8 equal to 2k, and here 0 equal to 2k, therefore k equal to 0 by 2, therefore k equal to 0. It is first value of k. Here we take 8 to this side, 8 plus 8 equal to 2k, 16 equal to 2k, therefore k equal to 16 by 2, 2 ones are 2 8s are cancel, it is 8, therefore k equal to 8. Thus we get two values of k, therefore we get k equal to 0, 8. These are two values of k by using the formula of area of the triangle. Like that, we calculate the value of unknowns by taking here two values, that is plus or minus, at the last step. Take it as important 2 marks question. Now we go for another example. If the area of the triangle with vertices 2, -6, 5, 4 and k4 is 35 square units, then find the values of k. Here the given vertices are 2, -6, 5, 4 and k4. These are vertices of the triangle, and area of the triangle it is given as 35 square units. Now we can use the same formula. It is delta equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. Now we find by substituting the values on both sides. 35 delta value 1 by 2 as it is. Here substitute x1 y1, that is 2 -6 1, x2 y2 5 4 1, x3 y3 k4 1. Now simplifying the determinant, plus minus plus, we get 35 equal to 1 by 2 as it is. For first element, deleting this column and this row, we get 4 1 4 1. Here determinant is 4 minus 4, that is 2 into 4 minus 4. Next it is -6. Now it changes to minus into minus, plus 6 into determinant. Now deleting this column and this row, it is 5 into 1 5 minus k into 1 is k, that is 5 minus k. Next for third element, deleting this column and this row, we get 5 4 k4 plus 1 into 5 into 4 is 20 minus k into 4 is 4k. It is 20 minus 4k. Now we simplify. This is equal to 35 as it is, 1 by 2 into, it is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, plus 6 into 5 is 30, minus 6 into k is 6k, plus 1 into 20 minus 1 into 4, 4k as it is. Now 35 equal to 1 by 2 into, it is minus 6k minus 4k is minus 10k, 30 plus 20 is 50. Now we simplify this. Before that, we take two values of this one. Plus or minus 35 equal to 1 by 2 into minus 10k plus 50. Now first we take positive, next we take negative sign. First I will take 35 equal to 1 by 2 minus 10k plus 50, or second result, it is minus 35 equal to 1 by 2 times of, it is minus 10k plus 50. Now cross multiplication, we get 35 into 2, 70 equal to minus 10k plus 50. Take this side, minus 10k plus 50, 50 to this side, 70 minus 50 equal to minus 10k. 70 minus 50 is 20 equal to minus 10k. Therefore k equal to 20 by minus 10 is minus 2. It is first value of k. Here also we make cross multiplication. Minus 70, 35 into 2 minus 70 equal to minus 10k plus 50. Take 50 to this side. Minus 70 minus 50 equal to minus 10k. 70 50 minus 70 minus 50 is minus 120 equal to minus 10k. Therefore k equal to minus 120 by minus 10, it is 12. Here we get minus 2. Therefore, the value of k is, it is minus 2 and 12. These are value of unknown by using this area of triangle formula. Take this solution. Now we discuss about the collinear points. The 3 points A, B and C are collinear if and only delta equal to 0. Take it as note. The 3 points are said to be collinear points if and only if its area is equal to 0. That is, if area of the triangle is equal to 0, then the 3 points ABC are collinear. Now we discuss some of the examples on this one. First one, prove that the points A 1 2, B 2 4 and C 3 6 are collinear. Now it is already given that prove that it is collinear, then we can show that the area of the triangle is equal to 0. How can you solve this? Here given 3 points are A 1 2, it is x1 y1, B 2 4, it is x2 y2, and C 3 6, it is x3 y3. Now area of the triangle is given by delta equal to 1 by 2, x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now we substitute the values. It is equal to 1 by 2, x1 y1 1, it is 1 to 1, second x2 y2 1, 2 4 1, third x3 y3 1, 3 6 1. Like that we get the determinant. Now it is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Now by using the third property we observe that here in the second column the element 2 is common here. It is common factor because 2 written as 2 into 1, it is 2 into 2, it is 2 into 3. Therefore by taking 2 common we get the determinant. It is 1 to 1, 2 4, 1 to 1 changes to 1 1 1, here 2 to 1, it is 3 3 1. If we take 2 common from this column we get 1, it is 2, it is 3. Now we are observing that the 2 columns are identical, C1 and C2 are identical. Therefore it is written as 2 to cancel, 1 into 0, answer is equal to 0, because the reason is the elements of it is C1 and C2 are identical by using second property, and the common is taken from the third property. By these two properties we are proving that the determinant value is equal to 0. Therefore we conclude that the given points are collinear, because here we are getting the area of the triangle is equal to 0. Similar to this we can consider another example. Second, prove that the points A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B are collinear. Here it is given 3 points. A coordinates are A comma B plus C, B coordinates are B comma C plus A, C coordinates are C comma A plus B. Now we start with same solution. Here it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it is x3 y3. Then area of the triangle is given by 1 by 2 x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now we substitute the values. It is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. x1 y1 is a b plus c, it is 1. Second row it is b c plus a 1. Third row c a plus b 1. So substituting all the values x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, we get this determinant. Now we can prove this determinant is equal to 0 by using the property. Now if we consider C1 as taking by property C1 as C1 plus C2. So this is our C1, it is C2. If you add C1 and C2, we get it is 1 by 2, it is A plus B plus C. It is B plus C plus A means again it is A plus B plus C. It is also A plus B plus C. C plus A plus B means again it is A plus B plus A. Remaining two columns are as it is B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1 1 1. Now we can take common A plus B plus C from C1, taking A plus B plus C common from C1. We get delta equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B plus C outside. Now here determinant changes to first column 1 1 1, second B plus C, C plus A plus B, third 1 1 1. Now here we observe that the elements of first column and third column are equal in values. Therefore it is written as 1 by 2 A plus B plus C into 0. So the result is equal to 0, because the reason is that here the elements of C1 and C3 are identical. Whenever the two columns with same elements or same row, the determinant value is equal to 0. According to that property, it is also equal to 0. Then we get delta equal to 0. If delta is 0, we conclude that the given points are collinear. Therefore here the given points A, B plus C, B, C plus A, C, A plus B are collinear points. Take as important example which is already appeared in the examination. Now we discuss how to find the equation of straight line by using determinants. If they given 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then by using the help of determinant we can find the equation of the line joining the given 2 points. That is equation of a line, equation of the line joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Now for this we can use the determinant that is given by determinant of first we write x y1, second x1 y1 1, third row x2 y2 1, it is equal to 0. By solving this we get the answer in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which is the general equation of the straight line. This form we are getting after simplification of this determinant, or after expanding this determinant we can get this answer. Therefore it is formula for calculating the equation of line joining the 2 points ax1 y1 and bx2 y2. Now we discuss with examples. Find the equation of the line joining the points 1 3 and 2 5 by using determinants. Now by using determinants we find the equation of straight line. The given points are 1 3 and 2 5. Now we can start solution. First point given as 1 3, take it as x1 y1. Second point 2 5, we take it as x2 y2. Then the equation of line is given by the equation of a line is, it is given by determinant value. It is xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 equal to 0. Now we substitute the values here. It implies, now substitute first xy1 as it is. Second row it is changing by x1 y1, that is 1 3 1, and third row is 2 5 1. It is equal to 0. Again we go for expansion, plus minus plus. Now we get x into, deleting this column and row, we get 3 minus 5 minus y into, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 minus 2. Next plus 1 into, deleting this column and this row, we get 5 minus 6 equal to 0. Now by simplifying we get, it is 3 minus 5 is 2 into x is 2x, minus y into minus 1 is plus y, 5 minus 6 is minus 1 equal to 0. So the required equation of straight line is 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is equation of straight line. Like that we find the equation of line by joining the 2 points using determinants. This time we are expected for 2 marks question for your annual examination. Take the solution. Here x into 3 minus 5, it is minus 2, it is minus 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now this can also be written as multiplying by minus 1, we get 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. It can be also written like this. Now we verify the result whether it is correct or not. Just to put the one value here, x and y. If you take first point, x is 1, y is 3, we get put x equal to 1, we get 2 into 1 2 minus 3 plus 1, then you get 3 minus 3 equal to 0. It is verification. Now we go for similar one example. A 1 4, B 5 2. We can find the equation of line joining these 2 points. Then the formula is given by, it is xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 equal to 0. Now we substitute the values. It is 1 4 1. First row is xy1, second row x1 y1 1, third row x2 y2 1 equal to 0. Now substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 values. We get xy1 x1 y1 values are 1 4. We write 1 4 1. x2 values are x2 y2 is 5 2 1. equal to 0. Now expansion of this plus minus plus, we get x into 4 minus 2 minus y into 1 minus 5 plus 1 into 2 minus 20 equal to 0. Then we get 4 minus 2 is 2, 2x minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4y, 2 minus 20 minus 18 equal to 0. Here 2 is common everywhere, for that we may divide by 2. For this one we get x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. So it is equation of straight line joining the 2 points 1, 4 and 5, 2. Take the solution.